Hello there! In this video we will see how we can deactivate a plugin or delete it. From our dashboard we go to Plugins and click on Installed Plugins. The plugins screen opens and we scroll down to see a list of all the plugins that we have installed. Those in blue we see they're active, and those in white are deactivated. We can see a list of both by clicking on Active to see only the active plugins, or Inactive to see the inactive ones. So let's go to Active, and let's say we wish to deactivate the Yoast duplicate post plugin. We just press deactivate here. So it will disappear from this list, and if we check on inactive, it will be listed here. When we first deactivate it, now it has the option to be deleted. What's the difference between those two? When you deactivate a plugin, it won't be a part of your website anymore, but its files will stay on your server. This means that anytime you wish, you can just click on Activate and reactivate it. When you delete it, you will erase the files from your server as well, and if you wish to install it again, you will have to download it again. So to complete the task that we wanted, we just have to click on Delete right here. This will bring this message: are you sure you want to delete Yoast duplicate post? And we just have to click OK to confirm. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you wish to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.